Hey guys, so in this video I'll show you step by step on how to fix you can't use this picture right now on Instagram. So if you are getting error message which says you can't use this picture right now, error on your Instagram account. So in this video I will tell you the reason why Instagram is giving you this message, and I'll show you step by step on how to fix this problem on your Instagram account. So stay till the end of this video. So Instagram may restrict certain pictures for several reasons, but here are 5 reasons why Instagram is giving you this error message on your Instagram account. So the first one is temporary ban. If you perform too many actions like commenting, liking, following, and DMs in a short time, Instagram may temporarily block that picture. So all you have to do now is stop following. So the second reason why is violation of guidelines. If you violated Instagram policy such as spamming or using automation tool, they may restrict your access. So automation tools, like if you are using some automation tool to get like followers or to get like likes on your Instagram post or to get comment on your Instagram post, so this reason may cause to get this like this message on your Instagram account. And the third reason why Instagram is giving you this message is account verification issue. If Instagram suspect unusual activity, they may ask for verification before allowing access. So the fourth reason why Instagram is giving you this message is bug or glitch. Sometimes Instagram experience technical issues that causes temporary feature restriction. And the third one, and the last one, the reason why Instagram is giving you this message error is network or app issues. If your internet is unstable, if your internet connection is unstable or your app is outdated, certain features may not work properly. So now I'll show you step by step on how to fix it. So the first one is all you have to do now. After you open up now your Instagram app like this now, go to your profile. If you come to your profile like this now, so you can tap on this menu at the top left side. Now go to this menu at the top left side. So under this menu, now scroll to down and go to this your activity. After you come to your activity, now there is likes. As you can see now under this interaction, here are likes, comment, note, tag, sticker, and reviews. So all you have to do now, as you can see now, all these pictures now you need to stop doing them on Instagram. If you open your Instagram account, stop following, stop liking, stop commenting, and stop like doing everything about on your Instagram account. Just if you open your Instagram account, just go and scroll and watch what you want to watch, but stop liking, stop following, and stop DMing people for like up to 24 hours or 48 hours and try again. So if you try this like for 3 days or 4 days, from there your Instagram account may get back. The second reason to fix this problem, now go to Play Store. After you come to Play Store like this now or App Store, just go ahead now and search for Instagram like this. Just search for Instagram. After you search for Instagram, just go ahead now and update your Instagram. After you update your Instagram, now restart your Instagram account and go and open the Instagram account. So if you open the Instagram account, go and try by liking some posts. If you try to liking some posts and Instagram allow you, now your problem has been fixed. And the third way to fix this problem is now open your Instagram. After you open the Instagram, now the third way to fix the problem is go to your menu. After you come to this profile like this, after you come to your profile, so you can tap on this profile and go to this menu at the top left side. Now go to menu at the top left side. After you come to the menu, now scroll to down. If you scroll all the way to down, now go ahead and log out. So if you log out on your Instagram account and log in again, so after you log out and log in again, then you can go ahead now and try and perform some action like commenting or liking. If you see that Instagram allow you, that now you fix the problem. So the fourth way to fix this problem is now after you open the Instagram app like this, go to your profile. After you come to your profile like this, now go to this menu. So after you come to this menu, now scroll all the way to down, or at the menu, just tap on this search bar and search for accounts. So just search for account like this now. It will give you account status. So as you can see now, where is it? Account status. So tap on it. So under this account status, as you can see now, if you check this account status now, if there is any problem on your Instagram account, as you can see now my account is now going well. There is no problem on my account. If there's problem on your account, you'll be able to see a cancel button. As you can see now, you'll be able to see the problem. Just tap on the problem and go ahead now and fix the problem. So and the last way to fix this problem is try using a different device or internet connection. Like if you are using Android device or if you are using like your iPhone device while logging in into your Instagram account, just try to use your friend's phone to log into your Instagram account on his account, or use your laptop or your PC to log into your Instagram account and try to perform some action. If Instagram allows you, that's now your problem has been solved. And like try to use another internet connection. Like if you are using Wi-Fi, try to use another Wi-Fi, switch to another Wi-Fi. So by switching to another Wi-Fi, now you can just try to go ahead and perform another action on your Instagram. If the Instagram allows you, that's this your Instagram like problem has been solved. That's it guys on how to fix this problem. So the first one is wait for 48 hours or 24 hours. The second one is restart your mobile phone and update your application. The third one is log out and log in into your Instagram account. The third one is like fourth one is check your account has any warning. So in the settings, account status. So I can now the last one is try using a different device or internet connection. That's the only way you can be able now to follow and fix this problem. So if you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe. And if you have any question, please let me know in the comment section below. Thank you for watching guys. We'll meet in the next video.